This is Sandra. I'm showing you some old country fried chicken livers. I know y'all city people don't remember those, try not to remember those old-fashioned chicken livers Mom used to fry for us. This is the chicken livers that I grew up on, and I love these chicken livers. They're so crunchy. Fried just right. Look at that. Those good old chicken livers, and I didn't cook no gizzards today, y'all. I just cooked the chicken livers. You serve this over some good old gravy. You know that country white gravy? Yes. You cook that and you serve that with these and some good old hot biscuits. Oh, that is good country eating. This is Sandra. You can get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. Some good old chicken fried livers. Y'all country folks know y'all remember that. This is Sandra. Want to say thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you all my subscribers. You're so wonderful. I thank you very much for coming over. And I do come to your site. This is Sandra showing these old-fashioned country fried chicken livers. Y'all know y'all love them now. This is Sandra saying happy eating.